Morning students, chapter number 5, organ systems. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture and completed also chapter number 4, our feathered friends birds. And student, today we will start next chapter 5, organ system. Organ, you know what is the meaning of the organ? Yes student, parts of body. So in this chapter we will discuss some organ system and we will learn also what is the body made up of. Organ system, and we will discuss also exercise and rest and posture. Let us start student. So there is some activity beginning of the chapter, and listen carefully and match the body part with the activities they perform. There is a eye, mouth, hand. So what is the function of eye? Yes student, what is the function of eye? Yes student, to see. You can see. Okay. And mouth, what is the meaning of the mouth? Yes student, eat. And hand, what is the function of the hand? Right. So eye, to see, mouth, eat, hand, to write. Now student, we will discuss what is a body made up of. And you know student, all living things are made up of small unit called cells. You know, cells are the basic unit of life. Just like a brick. Have you seen brick? So brick is a basic unit of a wall or a home. So in the same way, cell is the basic, or we can say in other word, small unit of life. Can see this diagram also. This is the cell. This is the cell. And when they make the group, they form tissue. So a group of similar cells called tissue. And you know, when the tissue join together, they form organs. And when the two or more organs that work together, they form organ system. Okay. And these organ system help us to do many things, such as getting energy, food, from food, moving different parts of the body, and taking in air. Again I am explaining you. The unit is cell is the basic unit of the life, and when the cell group together, they form tissue. What is the tissue and what is the cell? What is the cell? Cell is a basic unit of life, or we can say in other word, all living things are made up of small unit called cells. And when the cell group together, you can see group together, they make the tissue. And when tissue work together, they form the organ. And when organ work together, they form the organ system. And when organ system work together, they form the living organism. You can see. Okay. So this is a cell, tissue, then organ system, and then organism. So student, in this chapter we will discuss some organ system. Skeletal system, this is the skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, and respiratory, circulatory, excretory. Okay, so we will discuss student one by one. Skeletal system, you can see this diagram is very clearly for you. Skeletal system. Okay, now what will happen when you press your neighbor or any friend, any you are at home na, so if you press your brother or sister hand, what do you feel? You feel something hard? Yes student, these hard things are called bones. When all the bones in our body together form, when all bones in our body together, they form the skeletal system. Understand what I am saying? When you press your hand, when you press your hand, you feel something hard, and these hard things are called bones. And when the all bones in your body together, they form the skeletal system. And you know what is a joint? Yes student, the place where two bones meet is called a joint. That is called joint. This is the upper leg and this is the lower leg. So when the place, this is the place when the two bones meet, that is called, yes student, joint. And you know how many bones are present in your body? Yes student, 206. How many? In an adult body. So 206 bones are present in your body. And what is the function of the joint? You know, in movement. So a joint help us to move in your body in different direction. Now student, what is the function of this skeletal system? You can see there is a many bones in skull, ribs, backbone, joints. So what is the function of this skeletal system? Think. Yes student, first of all, the skeletal system gives shape and support to your body. The skeletal system gives shape and support to your body, and it helps us to move with the help of the muscles, because because bones attach to the muscles. So it also helps us move with the help of the muscles and cartilage also. We will discuss later what is the cartilage. And you know, some bones like skull and rib cage protect the organ of our body. You can see this is the skull. You can see this diagram also. Skull. What is the function of this skull, student? It protects the brain. Listen carefully. Protect the brain. And rib cage. Yes student, protect the heart and lungs. Backbone. What is the function of the backbone? It protects the spinal cord. Understand what I am saying? So what is the function of the skeletal system? The skeletal system gives shape and support to your body. It helps us move. Some bones like the skull and rib cage protect the organs of our body. Okay, so the hard things in your body are called bones, and all the bones in your body together form the skeletal system. And how many bones are present in your body? 206. And the place where the two bones together or meet, that is called joints. And what is the function of the joints? A joint help us move our body in different direction. Okay, I think you have understand student. In next lecture we will discuss student muscular system, and there is also some activity. Let's try and look it up. Okay, so we will discuss in next lecture. Okay students, take care, bye.